Hi guys, and welcome back for a new Q&DI inspo video from my side. And first, I'm sorry that I didn't post a video in the last month here on my channel because I became a father and this takes a lot of time for all the changes and for the new style of life I have now. And I didn't find any time to take a picture or to make a creative video for you. So I'm sorry for that, but now I have a very short window. So let's go ahead and don't waste time with the creative idea I have for you. And here you will find my complete materials I use, and below you will find my camera settings as always here in this format on my channel. And the main item will be a garbage bag roll like this here, and I'd like to take a picture of the front of the garbage bag roll because I like the spiral optic here, and to make it more interesting I used also RGB lights to highlight it up a bit. And then I use my macro lens, and that's really also a very simple, cool idea. And now you can see my results, and I wish you a lot of fun to take your own creative pictures, and we'll see you in my next tutorial. Ciao!